plotting our flower data three-dimensionally. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we've been working through understanding, visualizing, and getting very close to plotting our classifier divider. So what I really wanted to do is show you how all three of them interact with each other. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So what I've done is I'm bringing in Matplotlib's 3D plotting, and if you remember and go back to the data, it had 4 columns. So I'm chopping this up 50 rows at a time and bringing in each 4 columns, and I'm plotting them. So what I want to show you, remember how we kind of saw this two-dimensionally, and it looked like, okay, one of them is set off to the side and the other 2 are really on top of each other. Well, this is where, and it's actually kind of where big data, if you remember that term, if any of you are old enough to remember that term, where this kind of came from. So three-dimensional plotting was one of the ideas, but look at this. This one flower sits way over here, nowhere near the other. And then if you begin to rotate and look, you can actually see, and we'll find a hyperplane that will work, but these really aren't on top of each other. They have this nice little divider plane right here. There we go. As you can see, they're close to each other, but in two-dimensional space, they do look like they are just all on top of each other, and there doesn't seem to be any sort of rhyme or reason. But when you take in all of the data, you actually begin to see, you have, I guess, 1 or 2 outliers, but that's to be understood, or to be expected. But we're also not bringing in any coloring. It's just dimensions. So if we were to add that piece of data, that classifier, cameras and information can be grabbed to do those type things. But real quick video today, I just wanted to show you that there's all sorts of tools to enable you to do the things that you want to accomplish. And if you're like me, you need to be able to see and kind of understand why something is happening, and you just don't want to just jump in and go, oh, well, I need to do this. Well, you probably want to understand why. So I thought this would be a great video right before we begin, because I mean, we'd be able to do a linear line like we saw with our last example. And this classifier is going to be, even when we look at this that way, it's still, you have that nice line right there. But then when you draw it like so, this hyperplane, there's a huge margin that separates setosa. I should probably figure out the way to pronounce these flowers properly. But there we go, guys. A real quick video today. Please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. We have a lot of great things going on over there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop any comments, questions, video requests. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.